KNUST-TEK TV. Experience educational television.
The Center for Business Development, in collaboration with KNUST, organized the 4th Entrepreneurship Clinic on Friday, 8th March 2019 at the Great Hall in KNUST. The theme for the program was Empowering the Youth Through Entrepreneurship. The topics discussed were understanding the importance of networking and team building in business startups. Developing positive problem-solving attitude in business was also discussed. The guest speakers were the CEO of Vesta Oil Limited, Mr. Kwesi Nyamiche, who delivered a presentation on both topics.
Few people, as you all stand sitting, are thinking about creating your own businesses. I'm sure if we ask you to raise your hands, maybe about 5 of you will say they want to create their own businesses. Few of you. None of you, or most of you, are not thinking of becoming your own bosses, bosses of your own destinies, and becoming entrepreneurs. Most of the time, people don't even know what to do. Even if they want to do something, they don't even know what to do. But the natural thing is to follow your passion, develop your passion, and if it becomes a business, that's the best. You follow your passion. Somebody likes how to cook, continue cooking, and before you realize, you become the biggest restaurant chain in Ghana. Who knows? So you follow your passion, and it becomes a success.
The CEO of EO Groups, Mr. George Yao Owusu, spoke about his life and personal experience.
There were only 3 universities in the country at that time, Lagos, Lisbon, and Campus. And there were 57 high schools. Competition was tough. I ended up at Western College. I'm a school teacher. I went to Western College. How does a school teacher become an oil man? How does it happen? I was lucky enough to go to the United States. I went there in 1974. Over there, there's at some point, I wanted to do science. So I started from scratch. And I became a environmental scientist. That's what my first degree was in agriculture, just like you. I did agribusiness. I used to ride combine harvesters. You know what I mean? You know what it is? Combine harvesters. In the cornfields in Illinois and Iowa, we used to grow corn and soybeans to feed cattle. Same soybean. I've done that business before. Jack of all trades. From edible oil to crude oil. There's a positive and a negative. Okay. I ended up in the United States, 1974. I was a dishwasher. Then I was a janitor. I'm a practitioner in the hospital. See, that's a stepping stone. But I knew where I wanted to be. Because of that, as I was washing dishes and cleaning floors, some of you, when they ask you to clean floors, I'm going to be proud. Right? I did it. Okay? By doing that, I ended up, as I told you before, I became an environmental scientist for Shell. Whilst at Shell, Mr. Kufuor came to power. At that time, the whole coastline of Ghana, from Aflao all the way to Hafasine, there were only 3 companies prospecting for oil in Ghana. So Mr. Kufuor asked this gentleman to come to Houston to find investors. And because I lived there, they came to me and said, so can you please help the minister? Maybe you can gather some executives in oil and gas business to help. And that's what I did. Then after that, one of them touched me, punched me in the shoulder and said, hey, so can you bring the minister to my office? I did that. And then we got the first company to come together. The first company I brought together was an oil company called Bank.
Some students were also given the chance to ask the guest speakers some questions. Mr. George Yao Owusu spoke to Tech TV.
Because most of your time you have to, if you're in school, you spend most of your time in school with your studies. And so I would not advise anybody doing it. But yes, if you have spare time, you can start something on the side. What to do, I don't know. I cannot actually say you must go and do A or do B. It's your talent, what you're good at, what you think you can do. That's what. And first of all, you have to fit it into your curriculum, the courses that you're taking. Otherwise, you may rob Peter to paper. You don't want to do that.
Tech TV interviewed Mr. Kwesi Nyamiche.
What I advise them and what I will continue to advise students is, if you do have a very good business plan, which you could start, most of the time it's about capital. If you do have a capital, it doesn't matter when you start it, it's okay. But if you don't have the capital and you need to work for a time like I did before maybe you come out with your business, that's also perfect. But if you do have a business and you have the capital, it doesn't matter when you start. Any time is good.
Some students interacted with us.
Renzo here for the Metallurgical Engineering 4, and we were here for an entrepreneurship program. And today, listening to Mr. Owusu, he's actually the reason I came to listen to him. He inspired me a lot. From his story, you could tell that it just takes one little more extra step to get to where you want to get to. So I think from here, we know that we would have to be persistent about what we want and go for what we have.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.